How do we add these two fractions? 1 over 36 plus 4 over 45. We must find a common denominator, which is the least common multiple of 36 and 45. We use two methods. The first method, we list the multiples of both numbers. The multiples of 36 in the first column. 36 times 1 is 36, times 2 is 72, and so forth. We list the multiples of 45 in the second column. 45 times 1 is 45, times 2 is 90, and so on. The same in both columns is a common multiple, a multiple of both 36 and 45. We stop when we get the smallest such number. So the least common multiple of 36 and 45 is 180. That'll be the new denominator in our fractions. The other method is called prime powers. We take the prime power decomposition of both numbers. 36 is 4 times 9. 4 is 2 squared. 9 is 3 squared. And we can always multiply any number by 1. 5 to the 0 is 1. It's just there as a placeholder. 45 is 9 times 5. 9 is 3 times 3, or 3 squared, and we write 5 as 5 to the first. We put the 2 to the 0 similarly as a placeholder. Now we take each prime that occurs anywhere, and we take the biggest exponent. The biggest exponent between 2 and 0 is 2. The biggest exponent between 2 and 2 is 2. And the biggest exponent between 0 and 1 is 1. So our least common multiple is going to be 2 squared, which is 4, times 3 squared, which is 9, times 5 to the first, which is 5. And we get 180. Finally, we know we must write both fractions as a fraction over 180. We must multiply the top and the bottom of the fraction by the same number. 36 goes 5 times into 180. So 36 times 5 is 180. So we must multiply the numerator by the same number, which is 5. We get 1 times 5, or 5. So 1 over 36 is the same as 5 over 180, or is 180. Therefore, we must also multiply the top by 4, giving us 16. So 4 over 45 is the same as 16 over 180. Now we just add the numerators. We get 5 plus 16 over 180, which is 21 over 180, which, when reduced to lowest terms, is 7 over 60. And that's our final answer, and thanks for watching.